All right, everyone. Here we are on another adventure today. We came to Frank's famous chicken and waffles. So let's go on in, see what they got to eat, and see how good these chicken and waffles really are. Mason jar of Kool-Aid. Fruit punch Kool-Aid. Cherry, maybe. Either way, it's pretty good. Get the Kool-Aid. Right, so we finally got our food. Here's the chicken and waffles. The butter looks like it's got cinnamon on it. There's the buffalo wings and the lemon pepper wings. All right, I think I'm gonna try one of the wings first. That's a good wing. Buffalo sauce, typical buffalo sauce. The chicken is actually nice and juicy. Um, Good flavor. I like the breading; it's not too thick. All in all, that's a solid wing right there. First, I'm gonna try this butter. Cinnamon butter. Put some butter here on the waffle. Right. Give you a little cup of syrup. Now I'll try the waffle. That's a good waffle. It's nice and soft. It's kind of thin. It's not a Belgian waffle, so it's not thick. So the chicken looks nice and moist. Some really good chicken as well. I don't know which I like better, the wings or the chicken tenders. I think it's a toss-up. I don't think you could go wrong either way if you got the waffle and the chicken wings or the waffle and the chicken tenders. All right, so we'll try the waffle and the chicken together now. Mhm. I like the sweet and savory of the chicken and the waffle. Um, so, gonna finish up here and let you know what we think and take you up to the record store. I think, rumor has it, I think there's a record store upstairs. So, go check that out. See you in a second now. All right, here we go. How's it going? And here we have the man himself, from Frank, from Frank's Chicken and Waffles.
How you doing?
Doing pretty good.
That's right.
And you guys just opened up the new restaurant at the airport.
Yes.
So
Yes.
they got, what, 2 locations? This one and the one at the airport?
Yep. Yep.
So
we're doing it big. We're trying to be international. So
there you go.
appreciate you guys always supporting us.
Of course, yeah. So come down to Frank's Chicken and Waffles if you're leaving Albuquerque or coming into town, and try some of the best chicken and waffles.
There you go. Oh, there it is. Oh, Nicolas Cage is new Spider-Man. Wow. Dude, how many times can we do Spider-Man?
They do a lot of Spider-Mans.
No. He was my favorite.
Yeah.